Hello everyone, my name is Denis Zetka and I would like to present you my CS50 Python project slot machine. It consists of two Python files, project.py and testproject.py. Testproject.py has a couple of functions that check rows or if it's jackpot and so on. As you can see, I'm using emoji library to make it look prettier. I can show you all the functions. We're creating grid, spinning reel. These are the rules that we are checking, the diagonals, rows, and so on. Checking winnings, and then this handles the balance. Okay, let's try to run the Python file, the game itself, and as you can see, we have 3 times 3 grids. How much money would you like to add to your balance? Let's try some nonsense like n. Okay. Input, please enter a number. Okay, let's try 100. How much do you want to bet? Let's try 10. Would you like to spin? Yes. And we have not won. Let's try to bet again. No win. Let's try again. And finally, now we have one row that filled with melons, right? It is the third row, and it is one row in total. Melon has multiplier 4, so basically our bet 10 was multiplied by 4, but from 80 we subtracted the bet 10, so our new total is 110. How much do you like to bet? Let's 10. And would you like to spin? No. Let's try to withdraw money. And game over, you cashed out with 110 balance. This is how it works. So thank you.